Okay guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and this is going to be a unboxing, and then I guess the next slide you'll see is going to be the install. So as you can see in the thumbnail, it's something that has to do with the front of the car, obviously. But we're gonna go ahead and take off this label because I don't want you guys to know where I live. And then we're gonna go ahead and get into this unboxing. So I got this package of goodness on eBay. Obviously it's too small for wheels, it's too small for anything else, but it's gonna set off the car very, 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 very good. I probably shouldn't be doing this as I'm recording, but OSHA, don't check this out. Packaging seems fine. FedEx did go ahead and toss my package around. It's halfway open. It's whatever. I know what it is, but you guys cannot see it. So let's go ahead and flip this bad boy over and open up this package here. So. Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna love this, and I am too. So, boom guys, we got some springs for the car. These are gonna drop the car, they're gonna drop the car an inch all the way around. I would say I can see why he dropped my package, but oh fluff. But that's no excuse. So these are gonna drop the Mustang an inch all the way around, have a better stance. And if you guys don't know, that lowering your car has its benefits. It's not gonna be super scraped down to the ground, but this is. I want to say that this is the front. This is the front springs, and these are the back, I want to say. I've never done suspension before, so I really don't know. But I got these from Roush Yates, Voxland. Springs were, like I said, $100. They're blue, which goes with the car perfectly. And man, I'm actually very, very happy, and I probably shouldn't be laying on it. I'm very, very happy with the overall result of them. They do have, what is it? I want to say, it's supposed to have, oh yeah, there you go. It does have the authenticity serial number, so you know it's real. But man, I'm excited. I think the next slide you guys are going to see is me going out to Fresno at a buddy of mine's house to get these installed. But that's going to be the next slide. Obviously, it's going to be a pain because you got to lift up the car. Anybody who's done suspension work knows what goes into it. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and go to Fresno, install these bad boys, and then check out the difference between ride height. Obviously, I'll be doing a comparison of before and after of the stock ride height, and then after I put on these Roush Yates lowering springs. So let's go ahead and go to Fresno. Okay guys, it is the next day, and we are going to be heading over to Fresno to go ahead and get the springs put in on the car. Oh man, it's going to be a wonderful day. But let's go ahead and look at the before of the ride height that is going to be going on the car. Hopefully you guys can see me. Let me go ahead and focus that up in here. But let's go ahead and look at the before of what the car is going to look like, and then yeah, let's go ahead over to Fresno. So this is basically the ride height that is stock ride height now. It's fat. I mean, I can stick literally 4 fingers in there. You can see that, 4 fingers. And we're gonna go ahead and drop that down an inch in just a little while. So apparently at my buddy's house, it's gonna be like a gigantic meetup. So you're gonna see a lot of Mustangs pulling up and everything like that. So let's go ahead and get the car loaded up with the springs, and we'll go ahead and get it started. Okay guys, so I am back at the shop. It's been well, yesterday technically, but for you it's all one day. Got the car lowered, guys. I didn't feel comfortable recording the whole process because it was not at my friend's house. It was at like his brother's house or something like that. But man, she's low. She's low. So if you guys seen the before segment that I did, actually like right before like the previous slide or whatever, she's low. Check this out. She is a low girl. I mean, look at that. Like you seen the previous, I can barely even get 2 fingers under the fender. The fitment is good. I feel like I do need to get an alignment because it does seem like it's kind of cambered. But I mean, other than that, it's good. I probably will take it to an alignment shop to get it aligned because you can see it's not completely flush. It's just kind of cambered out a little bit. But man, she is low. This is just the front. They said that it was 1 inch drop, but I feel like it's more than that. I mean, look at that. It's 2 fingers. I can't even get a shoe in there. Well, maybe, I don't know. Let's try. See if I can get a shoe. Yeah, I can still get a shoe in there. Let's try the front, see if I can get a shoe in. A shoe in. Yeah, barely getting there. But man, she is low. She is a low girl. The ride is nice. I like it. It's actually really smooth. But I do need to go take it to an alignment shop because, like I said, it is slightly cambered a little bit, but not too bad. Anything an alignment shop can fix. And I think once it is cambered or the alignment's fixed, I can go ahead, it'll be pretty flush, and then this is just a good starting point for whenever I do get some new wheels and tires. So man, I like it. It's stanced pretty nice. Yeah, like see, you can kind of see how it's just kind of poked in there. It's just a little bit of a poke. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but yeah, the back is nice. I like the back. Like I said, the fitment is pretty good. I like it. I got this, like I said in the beginning of the video, I got the springs from Vogtland. They were $100 on eBay. I mean, I'm very, very happy with it. Some of the guys that I'm in a Mustang club with, they help me out with it. They love it a lot. I mean, it's gonna be crazy once I get it aligned and everything. But that's gonna be probably another video, I guess, or probably won't even record it. But man, I am just looking at it. It's low. It's very, very low. Installation was fairly easy. I'll show pictures of like the comparison of the springs. But oh man, it was a fun like little learning curve for me because I'd never done suspension parts before. So it was fun. I liked it. It was like I said, it was a nice learning process for me. The fronts were a pain because the bottom plate for the strut, or yeah, the strut, I guess you would say, was too big for the spring compressor to undo. So we had to do it by hand with a hand tool, and then we just had a little bit of trouble trying to get it in. The backs were fairly easy. It was just taking unloosening all the components of everything to get it all nice and loose so we can pull down the control arm, I think it is. See, I'm very new to this. The control arm, I think, and to slide out the spring. So I actually have the old springs in my trunk. I should have probably taken those out because that is adding extra weight to the car. But If you guys want some OEM Mustang springs, go ahead, hit me up, and we can see what we can do about that. They're still in the box, in the trunk, like I said. Actually, they're in the box that came with my lowering springs. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I did try a new approach with the videos, but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. I enjoyed doing the process of the video, even though I really couldn't record too much. Plus, it was really hot, and I just didn't feel like carrying around a camera. But if you guys are new to the channel, please go ahead and like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, all that great stuff. And you guys know the motto, guys. Stay focused, guys. Be safe. And I'm out of here. Peace.